Okay, today we are going to see this hinge. Stainless steel, but hinge. Stainless steel 304, see? Okay, SUS 304 material. Okay, see? Okay, EN report. BSEN standard 1935, and then the 13th, okay, 13, the heavy duty. See? And the size of this, the size, okay, 5 inch. And then go and see what size. Okay, 88, 3.5 inch. And then the thickness. Okay, 2.5. See? 2.5. 5 inch, 3.5 inch, and then 2.5 mm for the thickness. No bearing. This one is the plain. Okay, plain. And then some buyers, some customers are confused. If there is not any bearings, whether there will be some noise when you close the door or not. Let's listen. Listen. See? Still silent. There's not any noise. Understand? When we are talking about a hinge, is perfect condition or not, it is not, we are talking about the bearings. If it is good conditions, even though there is no bearings, it's still very silent. No noise. So, okay. And this hinge, how many years of this hinge? Let's see. 3299. This is one buyer's order. This order should be in 2014. That means it's about 7 years ago. Yeah, 7 years ago. See? 7 years ago, see this hairline finishing. See? Let me see this from this angle. Let me see from this angle. See hairline. Very good hairline. Yeah. When we are talking about the finishing, we need to pay attention. Pay attention here. See here. See here, and here. Yeah, because now there are two manufacturers are making the polishing by machine, and here subject this position of this area that will be not so good. But we are using machine, and then we still use handmade. We are some steps, some processing, we're still using hand for polishing. So you can see, same. Here the hairline and here the hairline are the same. See? Okay? If you want more information or you need other size of the hinge, you can contact with me. We are the factory making the mortise and door hardware for 20 years.